I've been getting my laser hair removal done for years. Well, I had it done initially about 10 years ago, and I did my full body, and then I'd go in for top-ups. I was always scared to do my face, so I've only started doing my face recently, but a lot of you always ask me questions about laser hair removal, and I just thought I'm gonna answer a few questions for you today. We're in Baker Street Station, so Avicenna is literally just like a few minutes walk from Baker Street, so wherever you are in London, this might be such an easy spot to get to. And then you get to Nottingham Place, that's where it is. We're here. Come with me. So obviously the first step would always be to have a consultation, and then once you've had your consultation, you kind of talk about what areas you want to have your laser hair removal done. So just to let you guys know, so hair laser removal is just a specific machine, IPL, that targets the hair follicles of the unwanted hair that you want to get lasered off, basically. So it could be your face, it could be hair on your body, it could be hair on your bikini line, it could be so many sort of areas that you want to focus on. I've done my full body, so I'm doing a top-up, which I kind of do maybe once or twice a year. It's not a must, I just like doing it. I'm getting older, my hormones are changing, so sometimes you can get that one odd hair here or there. So I'm just going to do my underarms and my legs today, but I have started my face, as I said earlier, so I'm going to do the lower part of my face because I get a lot of hair growing around here. This is the room, one of the consultation rooms. That's the machine that they're going to be using, and there's a specific setting as well that usually obviously gets saved on my you know, kind of like documents or whatever. Another thing is Avicenna specializes in the machines that they have for darker skin tones, and I think this is usually the horror story people hear as well, where they're like, oh my god, it burnt their skin. You're not going to have that problem here, of course.
Dressing first.
So you shouldn't be wearing makeup when you go in for your face laser. I just did it because I'm doing content for you guys, so yes, I'm just going to wipe everything off and then do the laser. So ideally, if you are getting it done, please come with cleansed face. They do clean it anyway, but just come with no makeup.
Out like...
Yeah, exactly that area, yeah.
Upper lip?
As well, please,
yes. You can lift your neck all the way up, very good.
It's interesting because 10 years ago when I first started, obviously the machines were slightly different, so it was so painful, like dying painful. So now while you were doing it, it wasn't painful, but you know, it's that anticipation that it's going to be painful, and then I'm like, oh, and then it's over. So yeah, that's a good thing. Definitely. So for those worrying about pain, the machines are so much more advanced now that it definitely is very bearable. I used to have really bad strawberry skin, so it's like those little tiny like, you know, bumps and stuff, and I feel like with laser that's also reduced majorly. All done. I also tend to do my PRP scalp treatments. If you want me to vlog it and explain it, do let me know in the comment section. But until then, if you want to obviously have any more information, it'll be in the description box. But do leave me comments, and hope you enjoyed this vlog and hope you want to see more vlogs like this.